2 twin-post hoist installation. Before setting, it is necessary to lay the foundations of 800 multiply 800 multiply 300 mm, and 2 groundwork level degree is about 1 mm, and the space between 2 groundwork is 3150 mm. And it is required that the concrete intensity should be 3000 psi per cubic meter for 2.1 kilogram. 1. Preparation work. 1 electric hammer which could lift a strike drill of 20, and the length of the drill is more than 180 mm. 12 liters resist meaning hydraulic pressure oil of 32 to 46. A piece of thinner, a handful of cross screwdriver, 2 handful of 17 to 19 clip spanners, inner 6-angle spanner of M8, a handful of monkey wrench of 12 inches, a handful of hammer, and level ruler of 2 meters length. 2. Installation process. Dismantle the packing frame and place the machine to the installed position with the hydraulic pressure or fork vehicle or carried by 3 men. Undo the pack and put all accessories to the corresponding places. Confirm the main post which has electrical outlets and put the main post to the center position of the groundwork. And place the sub-post to another groundwork. Note: do not install if the concrete is next. To process hammer stiletto according to the hover position of the post bottom plates, and the model of the hover is 20, and the depth should be 180 mm. Fixing the main post with the expansion bolts, and the uprightness degree of the main post should be about 0.5, which could be adjusted by the U-adjusting shim. Expansion bolt tighten process. Drill according to the set depth and specification. Clean the powder and dirt of the power with the dust connector and the blower pump. Knock in the top core nail with the hammer. Screw down the nut with the spanner. Here, the installation has been accomplished. Stand the accessory standing pinner on the other proper groundwork to keep a 2,810 mm distance between it and the main standing pinner, and measure if their diagonal is identical. If it is not, please move the accessory 1 tier apart. Confirm the position of the sub-post and check up the groundwork. And then, to process the hammer stiletto according to the location of the sewer plate. Put the expansion bolt into the power, but don't tighten it. securing the wire rope according to the instruction, but don't screw down the bolts of the rope. Installation outline. Adjust the two wire ropes to a definite tension and keep them in consistence, ensuring two slip weights in the state of playing synchronously. Measure whether the main and sub post opposite position is in consistence. If it is, screw down the expand bolt. And the upright and plane degree of the main and sub post should be about 0.5, which could be adjusted by the U adjusting shim if the upright degree couldn't be guaranteed. Fix the hydraulic pressure glue pipe and cover the shield plate of the wire rope and screw down the tighten bolt. Fix the drive unit to the main post and screw down the tighten bolt. Join and securing the oil pipe. Connect the power wire of the drive unit. Inject drive unit with resistance meaning hydraulic pressure oil of 32 to 46, and then begin to debugging. In the process of debugging, it must make the level degree of the main and sub-ankle plate be about 1, and it could debug the nuts of the wire rope. Fix the knock arm on the sliding board. Fix 4 arms on the sliding board and securing with the bolt. Mount the plates on 4 arms.